Good ventilation plays a major role in how comfortable a home feels day to day. In Rowlett, where weather can shift from warm and humid to cool and breezy, homeowners need window solutions that provide fresh air without compromising comfort or protection. Awning windows are an excellent choice for improving ventilation in living spaces while adapting well to changing conditions. Their unique design makes them especially effective in delivering consistent airflow throughout Rowlett homes. Designed for controlled, reliable airflow, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows fresh air to enter the home while directing airflow upward and inward. For Rowlett living spaces, this creates gentle, consistent ventilation that refreshes indoor air without creating harsh drafts or sudden temperature changes. Ventilation even during light rain. One of the standout advantages of awning windows is their ability to remain open during light rain. The outward opening sash acts like a small canopy, helping keep rainwater out while allowing air to flow in. In Rowlett homes, where sudden showers are common, awning windows make it easier to maintain ventilation without constantly opening and closing windows. Improving air circulation in everyday living areas, living rooms, family rooms, and common areas benefit greatly from steady airflow. Awning windows help stale air escape and encourage fresh outdoor air to circulate. For Rowlett homeowners, this improved air circulation makes living spaces feel fresher, more comfortable, and more inviting throughout the day. Supporting healthier indoor air quality. Poor ventilation can allow odors, moisture, and indoor pollutants to build up. Awning windows help reduce this buildup by promoting regular air exchange. In Rowlett living spaces, better ventilation supports cleaner indoor air, which contributes to a healthier environment for families and guests. Ideal for high or hard-to-reach placement, awning windows are often installed higher on walls or above other window types. This placement allows airflow without sacrificing wall space or privacy. For Rowlett homes, high-mounted awning windows improve ventilation in living spaces while maintaining furniture placement and room design flexibility. Enhancing comfort without over-reliance on HVAC. Natural ventilation helps regulate indoor temperatures and reduces the need for constant heating or cooling. In Rowlett residences, awning windows allow homeowners to bring in fresh air during mild weather, creating a comfortable indoor environment without overusing HVAC systems. Tight seals when closed. While awning windows excel at ventilation when open, they also provide excellent sealing when closed. Their design presses the sash tightly against the frame. For Rowlett living spaces, this means improved comfort during colder or hotter periods, with fewer drafts and air leaks. Improving cross-ventilation opportunities. Awning windows work well when paired with other window styles to create cross-ventilation. In Rowlett homes, placing awning windows opposite other operable windows helps move air efficiently through living spaces, enhancing overall airflow. Durable performance through seasonal changes. Awning windows are built with durable hardware and materials designed to withstand regular use and exposure to the elements. For Rowlett homeowners, this durability ensures reliable ventilation performance throughout seasonal weather changes. Professional installation maximizes ventilation benefits. Proper installation ensures awning windows open at the right angle and seal tightly when closed. Professional installation helps Rowlett homeowners get the most ventilation and long-term performance from their awning windows. A smart ventilation solution for Rowlett homes. Awning windows offer a practical and effective way to improve ventilation in Rowlett living spaces. With their rain-friendly design, controlled airflow, and reliable sealing, they help create fresher, more comfortable interiors year-round. For homeowners looking to enhance everyday comfort, awning windows are a smart and versatile choice.